In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tradingview for PC. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just getting started, we're going to ensure that you have this powerful tool on your computer in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to the official Tradingview desktop page. To do this, simply open your favorite web browser and type in tradingview.com desktop. This will take you directly to the page where you can download the desktop version of Tradingview. It's important to make sure you're on the official site to ensure you're downloading the correct application and not a potentially harmful file from an untrusted source. Once you're on the Tradingview desktop page, you should see the option to Download for Windows. Go ahead and click this button, which will initiate the download of the .nsx installer file for the Tradingview application. This file is what you'll use to get the app installed onto your PC. Moving on, once the download completes, you'll need to locate the .nsx file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Simply double-click on this file, and your Windows operating system will automatically launch the App Installer program. This is a built-in feature in Windows designed to help you install applications with ease. You should see a pop-up window with an option to install right away. If you are updating your current version of Tradingview, the window might say Update instead. Click this button to proceed. The installation process itself is straightforward and doesn't require much user intervention. The app installer will handle everything for you, extracting and deploying the necessary files, so you can just sit back and relax for a moment. If you encounter any instances where it asks for permission, such as user account control prompts, just click Yes to continue. Once the installation is complete, Tradingview will automatically launch, or you might find an icon placed conveniently on your desktop. If the program doesn't start by itself, just locate the icon and double-click to open it. Now, you're ready to start using Tradingview on your PC, exploring its comprehensive set of features designed to help you analyze financial markets, create trading strategies, and ultimately make more informed decisions. There you have it. Downloading Tradingview for your PC is really that simple. With Tradingview now installed, you are equipped with a robust trading tool that will aid you along your trading journey. Thank you for watching. Make sure to let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Until next time, happy trading.